Hello everyone. Welcome to Knowledge Base. Today, we are exploring a fascinating and rapidly growing field, artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll understand what AI is, how it works, its types, applications, advantages, and what the future holds. So, let's begin this exciting journey into the world of intelligent machines. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to mimic human intelligence. It enables machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that typically require human-like reasoning and decision-making. The term AI was coined by John McCarthy in 1956. Today, it powers voice assistants, smart cars, facial recognition, and even recommendation systems like Netflix and Amazon. Goals of AI. The main goals of AI are reasoning, making logical deductions, learning, adapting from data, problem solving, solving complex issues, perception, understanding surroundings using sensors or cameras, and natural language understanding, interpreting human language. Types of AI. AI can be categorized into three types. Narrow AI, it performs a single task, like Alexa or Google Translate. General AI, it's hypothetical, and would perform any intellectual task a human can. Super AI, a theoretical concept where AI surpasses human intelligence, still science fiction for now. Branches of AI. AI is a vast domain and includes several branches like machine learning, where machines learn from data. Deep learning or subset of ML using neural networks. NLP, natural language processing. Robotics, expert systems, and computer vision, which helps machines interpret images and videos. Machine learning. ML is a core branch of AI where algorithms learn from historical data to make predictions. It's of three types. Supervised learning with labeled data. Unsupervised learning with unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, learning by trial and error, like in gaming AIs. Natural language processing. NLP allows machines to understand and interact in human language. Examples include ChatGPT, Siri, and Google Assistant. NLP is used in chatbots, translation apps, and text summarizers. Applications of AI. AI is already transforming industries. Healthcare, for diagnosis and personalized treatment. Finance, fraud detection and algorithmic trading. Retail, customer support bots and personalized shopping. Automobiles, autonomous driving. Education, adaptive learning platforms. Agriculture, crop health monitoring via drones. Advantages of AI. Why use AI? It reduces human errors. Works non-stop 24/7. Analyzes huge volumes of data. Takes over repetitive and dangerous jobs. Challenges and limitations. But AI isn't perfect. It has challenges. Development is expensive. Needs large datasets to train. Lacks human creativity and emotions. Raises ethical concerns, like job losses, data privacy, and misuse. Future of AI. The future of AI is promising and powerful. Integration with IoT for smart cities and homes. Use in education and arts. Greater human-AI collaboration. Growing focus on ethical and responsible AI. Regulations and laws to govern AI use fairly. Career opportunities. Interested in a career in AI? Here are some roles. AI engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, NLP specialist, robotics engineer, AI researcher. These roles are high in demand across industries. tools and languages. Popular languages used in AI are Python, R, and Java. Frameworks include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. You can start with tools like Jupyter Notebooks, Google Colab, and explore platforms like IBM Watson and OpenAI. Summary. So to summarize, AI simulates human thinking. It has many branches and use cases. It's evolving fast and creating huge career opportunities. But we must also be cautious about ethical challenges. AI is not just the future, it's the present. Thank you for watching this video on artificial intelligence. Which AI application fascinates you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Base for more tech learning content. See you in the next video.
Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.